What is going on, everybody? I see a lot of engineers making the same mistake over and over. They dive straight into learning FastAPI without the proper groundwork. Before you jump into FastAPI, there are 4 tools and concepts you should familiarize yourself with. Trust me, it will make your FastAPI experience more efficient. The first thing I want you to check out is Pydantic. In fact, you can use Pydantic without FastAPI, and it is powerful for data validation. Take a look at this example. Here we have a structure that ensures our data conforms to the rules we define. This is crucial for building robust applications. With Pydantic, you can separate the data validation logic from your FastAPI code, making your project cleaner. Now, the second tool on my list is SQL Alchemy. Understanding SQL Alchemy will give you a solid foundation in database management and ORM. It allows you to interact with your database using Python objects. By mastering SQL Alchemy, you will be able to manage your database interactions seamlessly within your FastAPI applications. The third essential concept is type annotations. Type annotations help you write clearer and more maintainable code by specifying the types of variables, functions, parameters, and much more. In FastAPI, type annotations are used extensively to define request parameters and responses, so getting comfortable with them is crucial. Lastly, focus on testing. Writing test cases for your code ensures reliability and helps catch issues earlier. Familiarize yourself with testing frameworks like PyTest. Writing test cases might seem tedious, but it is an investment that pays off in the long run. So before you dive into FastAPI, make sure you are comfortable with Pydantic, SQL Alchemy, type annotations, and testing. If you find this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe for more content, and leave a comment. Thanks.